Here is how to find the Wi-Fi password. Being in mind, this is for educational purposes, so be very careful. You go to a search bar and type CMD, command prompt. Then you type this particular prompt. I'm using my own Wi-Fi, so be very careful. Don't go using other people's password without permission, or using people's Wi-Fi without permission. That's our for educational purposes. This prompt will show you the Wi-Fi that are around you, or that are around you that you want to connect. So you'll come here and down once and type the same prompt that you typed here. This is showing you the Wi-Fi that are around you. Then you come here, you just type name equals the name of the password that you want to use the Wi-Fi, or to know the password. So I'm using my own one, so don't be mistaken. I'm using my own Wi-Fi. So I want this one, I'm using this one. Just this is for educational purposes. Then you enter. This one will show you the Wi-Fi password, the security key. This one is the password of my Wi-Fi. So this is for educational purposes. So don't go, just you can show your friends, and hope you have learned. Peace.